Ken Garcia, who's an agent with the Bluegrass team in Kentucky, has sent many gorgeous historical home listings our way. But this stone farmhouse for sale in Perryville is by far my favorite. I have a whole category on CIRCA for just stone houses for sale, and this one is blowing me away. The best part is that it sits on over 18 acres. It dates back to 1801 and it has loads of history. This is certainly one of the oldest stone houses in all of Kentucky. In fact, there are only a handful that are older, and it's the first time this property has been available in 50 years. And if I were to get this property, I would not make it available again for a very long time. There are 5 stone fireplaces and exposed beams, and the house actually sits on a creek. It has a brand new standing seam roof and porches. These stone walls on this house are 2 feet thick. And inside there are chestnut, cherry, and heart pine floors, hand-hewn oak beams, and 9 and 10-foot ceilings. The Bluegrass region of Kentucky is absolutely beautiful, and this is just a slice of what that area has to offer. And lest I forget, there are also 2 100-foot long barns on this property. This would make the perfect vineyard or horse operation because it's really secluded. It's actually situated over half a mile off of a main road. I am absolutely smitten with that bedroom, with that stone fireplace. That has to be the coziest room I think I've ever laid eyes on. If you love stone houses and all things old houses, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and check out CIRCAOldHouses.com for more beautiful historical homes for sale all across the country.